Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to share a delicious bowl of wonton soup with you. Across China, every region has its own twist on wontons. There are loads of varieties. We're gonna make chicken and shrimp wonton soup. Here are the ingredients we're using today. And shrimp. Chop the chicken thighs into nice mince and the shrimp into small chunks. No need to make the shrimp too fine. Personally, I prefer chopping by hand. It gives a better texture. Next, we're tossing in some salt, sugar, white pepper, chicken powder, and some light soy sauce into our chopped filling and mix all up. Once that's combined, we will add a spoon of dark soy sauce for that rich color and give it one more good mix. Next, we're washing the baby bok choy and tossing a little bit salt. The salt helps leave off dirt, so everything nice and clean. Next up, we slice the ginger, slice the garlic, chop the green onion into little bits, and then slice that shallot into thin strips. Now we add half the ginger slices, half the garlic slices, and some water to the blender, and blend them up into a ginger garlic mixture. So next we will grab a strainer and we will just strain out all those ginger and garlic bits. So we're going to add that ginger garlic water little by little into the filling, and we will use our hands to mix it thoroughly each time. After the filling absorbs that amount of water, we'll add a bit more, repeating until it's all mixed in. So to emphasize our technique here, first we thoroughly work that water into our meat mixture. Once it's evenly combined, we stir it in just one direction. Then we will drizzle some sesame oil into the meat filling and mix well. The sesame oil adds a nice fragrance to the filling. Finally, we will add a bit of cooking oil and give it a good mix as well. A while back, all my family was feeling kind of under the weather, so all we wanted was something really warm and comforting. So I started testing a few wonton soup recipes. And this version became the one everyone keep asking for. And honestly, it is easier than most people think. So here's how I wrap wontons. I just take a little spoonful of filling, pop it in the center of the wrapper. I dip my finger in water, run it along the edges, and then just fold it over and seal it up. Now once the wrapper is a triangle, just like before, we dip a finger in water, moisten one corner at the bottom of the triangle, and then fold the two corners together, and there's your wonton. Next, we will take a pot and add some oil, heat it up over medium heat, and then toss in the ginger slices we prepared, letting them saute. Once we can smell that lovely aroma of the ginger, we will add in the shredded shallots and the garlic slices, letting them saute until fragrant. After about a minute, we add the chicken broth and bring it to a boil. While we wait for the chicken broth to boil, we bring a large pot of water to a boil. Best to use plenty of water to cooking wontons. We will add about 8 to 10 wontons and cook them for around 5 minutes, but timing depends on the size of the wontons. One important note, you will want to keep the heat at medium to high so the water stays at steady boil at the whole time the wontons are cooking. At this point, we see the chicken broth is boiling. Now we lower the heat to gentle simmer for about 5 minutes, letting all this seasoning fully release their flavors into the broth. Next, we grab a bowl and add a little salt and a little bit MSG. MSG is optional, but it will make the broth more tasty. Then we remove all the solids from the broth. We'll add 3 liters of broth into the seasoning bowl. Wontons are one of those dishes you can find everywhere on the streets and alleys in China. Umami-packed broth, tender wontons, is a pure comfort food. We then add the cooked wontons into the bowl as well. Next, we take the baby bok choy we washed earlier and blanch it in the water for about 30 seconds. Sprinkle some chopped green onion on top, and our wonton soup is done. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, please don't forget give me a thumbs up and also subscribe. And I will see you guys next week. Happy cooking!